Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to easily withdraw money from crypto.com. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to easily withdraw money from crypto.com? Stay tuned because this one's for you. All right, so for those who don't know, crypto.com is a cryptocurrency exchange platform and one of the better ones, right? So it has been around since 2016, which is almost 10 years from now, almost 10 years active. It has almost 100 cryptocurrencies available for US traders and more than 60 fiat currencies. It can be accessed by people from more than 80 countries. So some of the cryptocurrencies that are traded here popularly are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Uniswap, Origin, USD. This is USDT, Nano, Cardano, Golem. So a lot, as you can see here. And how do you withdraw money from crypto.com? So it can be done in a series of steps. Here are what we have to do if you want to withdraw your money. So first is open crypto.com application. This can be on your desktop or on your phone. So after that, link a preferred bank account if you haven't already. So I would assume that you already have a bank linked to it. So if you already have, just click transfer. This can be found under the crypto account balance. So go to your crypto account balance and you're going to see a transfer option there. At the bottom of your screen, you will see a pop-up that gives you two options, either deposit or withdraw. So of course, you need to select withdraw. And then there will be two options appearing on your screen, crypto and fiat. So pick fiat option that has the description, withdraw fiat to your bank account. And then select the currency that you prefer. After that, when you're done selecting the desired currency, you can fill in the amount of money you want to withdraw. So after that, you enter the amount. You can select withdraw. And now you'll have a confirmation screen. Once you click on the withdraw button where you can see the amount withdrawn, it also shows you the possible fees as well as the processing time, recipient, and the total amount you ended up with withdrawing. So that's pretty much it. It's that easy. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.